In an effort to streamline services for both sponsored students and graduates, the Tertiary Scholarship and Loans Scheme yesterday launched 5 new digital platforms and 1 framework. Speaking at the launch, the Minister for Education, Asiri Randronro, is hopeful that the framework and digital platforms will enhance services offered to all TSLS recipients. Rudy Renitu with this story.
A key platform launched yesterday was the Guarantor Clearance QR Code kiosk system, which was designed specifically for TSL recipients returning to the country and face delays in delisting their guarantors.
What's been happening is that when the sponsored students and graduates, they do not advise to clear their guarantors, and when the guarantors are traveling, they get stuck at the airport. So this is providing a convenience to the guarantors and to the students that once they land, they have got the provision at the airport to clear their guarantors. And the guarantors will not face any travel issues if they are traveling.
CEO for TSLS Dr. Lal adds that the new initiative will efficiently enhance services for all sponsored students and graduates.
Is in the second year, so it's too early to say how effective it is. But what we have seen now is that there is improved pass rate, there's improved completion rate, and there is now a lesser number of students who are failing units. So already I think using this data we can say it is proving to be effective, but I think after third year we'll be in a better position to gauge how effective this lending support has been from TSLS.
Minister for Education Asiri Randronro is hopeful that the framework remains accessible to all TSLS recipients.
Our nation is becoming the digital and ICT hub of the Pacific. We are proud of TSLS digital initiatives and with all new initiatives on board. And I'm confident that the TSLS board, the competent Chief Executive Officer and staff will soar to greater heights. I acknowledge the board and management of TSLS for envisioning and putting public service at the forefront of its function.
The other newly launched frameworks include the Scholarships Data Intelligence Platform, the TSLS mobile app, the Partner Tertiary Education Institution, and the Alumni and Employer Connect framework. The platforms are expected to be available next Monday. Rudy Renitu, Fiji 1 News.